Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one is going to be kind of just a channel update video. I know these are really boring for a lot of people, but I'm kind of excited about this one, so I want to share some news. I have graduated high school back in June, and now I'm moving into college. I'm really excited about that. I'm going to study software engineering. But with that being said, I do want to let you guys know I'm still planning on doing videos as of now. I think there's going to be a gap in time where I'll still have kind of some passion for this kind of stuff that I still want to work on, so I totally plan on making videos. But if there's anything you guys want to see specifically coming up in the next couple, I guess 4 years, let me know. But yeah, I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to growing my knowledge in software. I think it's something that will definitely get replaced with AI, but I'm mostly just trying to get the degree because I think it'll be beneficial to see that yes, I have completed this credential, and yes, I am qualified for whatever job I'm trying to get. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, so you may have noticed this summer the videos, like I haven't been posting videos on Wednesdays. I've been kind of dying down the videos a little bit, mostly because I've been working a lot. I work at a local ISP company. I'm a data analytics and cybersecurity intern there, and that's been a blast, by the way. But I'm also working at my church, still doing 30 to 40 hours a week, typically getting all kinds of projects done before I move off to college. So I've been really busy lately, but I'm really excited to continue doing videos, showing you guys products that I like doing and learning together. So really excited. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I guess leave them in the description below. But this is a quicker video, but I do want to just provide this update just in case you're curious. I know some people have noticed that I am pretty young, and yes, I am. So yeah, that might explain a few things. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I think the best is yet to come. So yeah, that's about all. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.